Hey, it's Luana and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. Today's episode is part 1 of our plate lunch series and we're going to be making white rice. White rice is the main starch that you'll receive on every plate lunch that you'll eat in Hawaii. Without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients you'll need are a medium grain rice or Calrose rice like I have here and water. The first step is to wash your rice. It takes about 2 or 3 rinses, but once the water runs clear, you're good to go. Next step is to add your pre-measured water to the pot. This step is definitely overlooked, but make sure you dry the pot before you place it into your Instant Pot or your rice cooker. Place into your Instant Pot and set to pressure cook for 3 minutes. Make sure the steam release valve is set to sealed. Once the timer goes off, we're going to let it naturally release for 15 minutes. After that time, do a quick release by setting the steam release valve to venting. And yes, it's that easy. White rice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's episode because we're going to be making the all-important mac salad. Aloha and I'll see you next Friday.